Hey, hi friends. Today in this video, I'm going to share a beautiful modern wardrobe designs. There you can see there the beautiful designs are available. In this video, I'm going to share the best material for wardrobe designs and accurate cost calculations and what are the points to remember before designing a wardrobes. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. A wardrobe is not just a storage unit anymore because in today's modern home interior designs, a wardrobe plays a very important role in our functionality, organization, and our overall bedroom aesthetics. So, a well designed wardrobe can completely change the look and feel of our home, so while also making the daily life more comfortable and clutter free. Wardrobes are usually one of the largest furniture elements in a bedroom because of their designs directly impacts the overall interior look. So a poorly designed wardrobe can make the room feel cramped, create a storage problems and reduce the movement space and look outdated or mismatch our bedroom interior designs. So whereas a well designed wardrobe can enhance the room aesthetics and also it maximizes the storage space, improves the daily convenience and adds a value to your home. So this is why a wardrobe design is considered a core element of wardrobe interior planning. Now I'm going to discuss about which are the best materials for making a wardrobe designs. Nowadays, there are the two more popular materials are available in market like HDHMR and plywood. Yes, HDHMR is termite resistant and moisture resistant, but one important point must be clearly understood that HDHMR is not very strong material, especially for long-term load-bearing applications. On the other hand, plywood is much stronger than HDHMR. Even more importantly, the price of plywood and HDHMR is almost the same in most markets. So this is why plywood is always preferred for structural strength. And in a plywood, there are multiple grades are available like marine grade, BWR, BWP grade. So my suggestion is that go with the BWR plywood, commonly known as boiling water resistant. Another which is more durable than BWR is boiling waterproof BWP, which we call a marine grade plywood, but it is commonly used for kitchen cabinets and it is also little bit of costly than BWR plywood. So my suggestion for your wardrobes, go with the BWR plywood because it also gives a high strength and durability, excellent moistures and water resistance and also better load bearing capacity and long life when used with branded plywood. So this makes the plywood the best material for wardrobe cabinets and drawers. So many people use plywood for wardrobe doors, but this is not recommended because plywood is heavy in weight. So due to this extra weight, hinges may lose over the time. Doors may sag, so there is a high chance of hinges damage in the long run. So recommended material for wardrobe doors are like MDF or blockboard and thickness should be 25 mm. So these materials are lighter and ensure smooth door operations and longer hinges life. And for wardrobe finishing, markets most popular available is laminate and acrylic. For wardrobe finishing, laminate sheets are the most practical options. It has some beautiful advantages. One of the biggest advantages is that of budget friendly option. You will get a wide range of colors and textures and durable for daily use, and also they are easy to maintain. And on the other hand, is acrylic sheet, which provide a glossy and luxury look. However, acrylic sheets are expensive and are also scratches are more visible, so that is why laminates are commonly preferred for most homes. And for wardrobe dimensions, proper dimensions are very important for a functional wardrobe. So for a wardrobe cabinet depth, 2 feet means 24 inches. This depth is ideal for hanging clothes comfortably and ensures a proper internal usage. And for interior finish, like the inside finish of the wardrobe should never be ignored. So always use white laminate sheet inside the cabinet, and the recommended thickness is 0.7 mm to 0.9 mm. It will give the better visibility and inside the wardrobe clean and premium appearance, and makes the wardrobe look brighter and more spacious. So friends, now I'm going to discuss about the cost. So actually for making the wardrobe, the price starts from actually 1100 rupees, but we will take per square feet, but we'll consider 1150 rupees per square feet. This includes material cost, labor charges, and hardware items. So friends, to understand that how much it will cost for making the total wardrobe. So suppose your wardrobe height is 9 feet and the wardrobe width is 7 feet. So the total area of the wardrobe is 63 square feet, and it will cost you around almost 72,000 to 73,000 rupees. This is a reasonable price for a well built premium quality wardrobes. So friends, there are some points to remember, like always select the top brand accessories such as hinges, drawers, channels, soft close fittings. Don't go with the poor quality hardware because can cause noise, jam drawers, or early damage to drawers and fittings. And one of the most important point to remember is the wardrobe color combination. So wardrobe color should always be selected according to the bedroom interior. So it should be match or complement bed designs, flooring or tiles, bedroom wall colors. So this create a balance and premium interior look. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel, because here you will get the latest interior tips and ideas and the latest price. And if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID, which I given in the description. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.